Welcome, dear children, to e-learning classes. I hope you all are fine and enjoying your classes. Today we shall do the second lesson, that is the law of creation. Everything in life has its own time and space, means time to wake up, time to sleep, time to learn, time to play. Some rules of nature and time should be obeyed, else the result may be disasters. Disasters means serious problems. Now let's begin with the chapter. A boy found a cocoon of a butterfly. Cocoon means the egg of a butterfly. A few days later, he noticed it slowly opening. He sat and watched it carefully as the butterfly struggled to come out of that little hole. After a while, it stopped its struggle as if it could not go further. The boy decided to help the butterfly. He took a pair of scissors and cut the remaining of the cocoon. The butterfly then came out easily, but it presented a strange sight. The butterfly had a swollen body and curled up wings. Now it is the nature that from the cocoon the butterfly should come out on its own. If we help, then what will happen? The butterfly will not struggle, and as it will not struggle, the body will be swollen out. Means butterflies are very slim and trim and they have very beautiful wings. But if we help, then what will happen? The body will be swollen and the wings will be curled up. Now here the boy wanted to help the butterfly, but he didn't know that his help was like a disaster for the butterfly. The boy continued to watch the butterfly. He expected any moment the curled up wings to open and then it would be able to fly, but it did not happen. In fact, the butterfly spent the rest of his life crawling with its swollen body and deformed wings. It could never fly. The boy, in his kindness and haste, tried to help the butterfly, but he did not understand that the struggle needed for the butterfly to get out of the small opening of the cocoon was nature's way of forcing fluid out of the body of the butterfly into its wings, so it could be ready to fly once it came out of the cocoon. Not just for the butterfly, it is true for us too. We cannot break the laws of creation. Without struggle, a lot of things can never succeed. Struggle is an internal part of our lives. If there is no obstacle, no struggle throughout the life, we would not be as strong as we should be. Nature makes us struggle to help us emerge as a better person, just like a pupa in the cocoon turns into a beautiful butterfly. Now, dear children, as you go through school and life, keep in mind that struggling is an important part of any growth experience. In fact, it is the struggle that causes you to develop your ability to fly. Be safe. Thank you for watching the video.